wonderful, amazing, sweet, and lovely people. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day today, and I hope you're not letting anybody steal your joy. Welcome to Maryam's Joyful Life Kitchen. Today is a beautiful day. We want to try some Japanese snacks for you guys today, and some other Asian snacks that we have. Zozo is feeling very impatient right now. Zozo just wants to start eating the snack. Zozo, what is this? Levion, come here. Come here, you're going to try the snacks too. Come here. Because you know you picked out these blue chips. You picked this one out. Come on. Zozo, hold on. So, Zozo wants to try these Japanese Cheetos. That's why Zozo is getting so is really upset. Zozo is ready. So we have Japanese Cheetos here. Hold it. We have this Japanese chips right here. Zozo is a foodie. We have this Japanese sesame seed cookies right here. We have the mango tropical Japanese, I don't know if it's Japanese or Korean, but these are Asian snacks. Tropical mango marshmallow. So are you ready? And we have this coffee candy. I've been eating this one. This one is really good. I haven't tried the other ones yet. Then we have these gummies, Japanese gummies. It's called watermelon gummy candy. This right here. And we have this peach gummy candy. And what else do we have? That would be all. That would be all. So, we're going to get started so you guys can see what we do. Zoe, do you want to try the Levion, come here. Levion loves gummies. Do you want to try the watermelon gummy?
No.
Come on, come try it. We're going to open it up. Come sit down. Sit down right here. Sit like this. Let your butt be right here. Now face mama. Good job. Face this way. All right. You are going to try the gummies. I want them to try the gummies first before they eat the chips. All right. So just opening it up. We'll bless these gummies in Jesus' name. All right. So the gummies come in packs like this. Levion, what is this?
This is watermelon gummy.
This is watermelon gummies. So we're going to try this one. Let me open this gummy up for you. Here you go. Bless this gummy in Jesus' name. Zoe.
You're so
Mama's going to eat one too. Here, here's your gummy. And Mama's going to open her own. Mmm.
You're so tough.
Toast. Toast. Eat your gummy. Is it delicious? Oh.
Oh, this is jumping.
Zozo, you don't want it? You don't like it? Levion, do you like it?
No.
It's different, but Zozo doesn't like it. Levion ate his own, so Levion liked it. Now we're gonna try the peach. This is the peach gummy right here. So it comes in the packs, just like the watermelon one. That one tastes like watermelon, you know, with the gummy texture. Levion, here you go. That's a peach gummy.
This is where we're gonna peach goes.
It's peach. So this is the peach. Here.
Oh, what's this?
Levion likes it. You like it?
No.
No, you're just eating it. All right, this is tropical mango marshmallow. Japanese as well. I'm gonna try this one. This is my first time trying this, Levy. This is marshmallow. Here you go. Mango marshmallow.
No.
Here. Hold it.
Zozo,
hold it. It's marshmallow. Now see, Mama's gonna eat it. See? Mango marshmallow. Put it in your mouth.
No.
Chew.
No marshmallow.
So eat it. Take a bite. Let me look at the camera. Do you like it?
No.
Zoe.
No marshmallows.
Mango marshmallow, just like mango. I love mango flavor. I'm sure the kids, what they are very excited to eat are the chips. So this is Japanese Cheetos. We are going to see how this tastes. Zozo is ready for this because Zozo picked this out. So bless this in Jesus' name. Zozo, take some in here. You can. Oh, it's delicious. Levium, get one of them. No, Levium, get your own. Get your own. Get your own. Sorry. Can Mama have some? Sorry. Here you go. Try it. Taste it. Before you get your, this is your blue chips. So eat that one.
Mama.
It's chips. Eat it. It's good. Take a bite.
No.
Go.
No, I cannot take in a bite.
You just took a bite. See, Zozo is eating it. It's delicious. See? It's delicious. Eat that one in your hand.
What is this?
It's very delicious. So,
Look at that big.
ooh, look at that. That looks like a Big Ben. That looks like London. So this right here is the last Japanese snack we're gonna try.
Mom, that is a Big Ben clock.
Yeah. I don't know what this says on it, but we're super excited to try this out.
That is Mama's blue chips.
It's your blue chips. We're gonna open it up now and taste it.
Mama.
Mama can't get it to open. Open! This is, what is going on with this? I'm just gonna test the side of it. Oh, nice. So let me see if I can open it this way. It's so hard to open it that way, so I guess we're gonna have to open it this way. Alright, we opened it up. It says shrimp chips. So, let's just do this.
Hey, who eat it?
Levion,
Mama,
you picked it out. So try it on you. Eat it. It's good. Why are you making it up?
No!
Try it. It's yummy.
No, Mama.
Let me see, you guys need to see Levion's face. It's very yummy. Mmm.
Mama, I need to watch TV.
You will. I'll try it again. If you guys have ever eaten prawns, you know prawn crackers? This tastes like prawn. Of course, it is prawn crackers pretty much. It looks like, yeah, I think it's prawn crackers, but it tastes like that. So that looks like a prawn right there. It's really delicious and tasty. I'm gonna put some in our bowl over here.
Mama, I don't want this one.
Why? I think it's delicious. You don't want it anymore?
No.
This is delicious. It's delicious. Zoe, of course, loves her Cheetos. I need to try one more thing for you guys, but then I'm gonna go digging into this prawn chips.
Mama, what are you doing?
It's good.
It is good. You are just so.
Levion had to take a second to really enjoy it. Japanese Cheetos taste different than the American Cheetos. But it's really good. Zoe likes it.
That is Japanese Cheetos.
The last thing I'm going to try for you guys.
Yes.
sesame seed
Cookies.
cookies.
Okay.
So it should be sesame seed cookie.
That is sesame.
Levion, come try sesame seed cookie. Come here.
Baba, I don't want this.
Come try it. Come try. You may like it. Come try it. Come on.
Mama, no more.
Come on. Come try this cookie. You might like it. That's what I'm saying. You might like it.
No.
It looks like it has caramel on it.
That is caramel morning. That's it gold. Don't I try it. This is really important.
Oh my goodness. It has peanut butter, baby.
This is
Caramel, peanut butter.
Babe, I don't thought that chicken was wicked.
This is good. Levion, come try it.
This is so.
Come try a little bit. Come on. Come try a little bit. Take a bite. Take a bite.
Ah.
Please. Don't be afraid. Why you so... Levion just likes his old... Whatever he's been eating for a while, he likes it. Trying new foods. To get Levion to try new foods. Yeah. Then when he tries it and he likes it, he wants to eat it. But Zoe, we have no problem with eating. Come here.
This is nothing.
You're gonna try it.
Beans.
Zoe, you wanna try it?
Some beans cookie.
It's okay. You don't wanna try it?
Beans cookie.
Yeah, it's sesame seed. Anyway, they don't try it. That's fine.
Beans cookie. Beans cookie. No.
This is so good. Move me right there.
Beans cookie. Beans cookie.
Such amazing snacks, you guys. So, I really like this coffee candy. It's amazing. Comes in a pack and little wraps like that. I've been eating the heck out of this since last night. It's caramelized, it's crunchy. It looks like that.
Hey.
Now right here, Mom.
That's for you.
Or you can break it.
Yeah,
You know.
this candy looks yummy.
Candy is good. So wait, here's the piece. Zoe likes the candy. Levion, come get the candy.
Mama, no.
Come on. Come on. This one is good. You're gonna break it in your mouth. Come on.
I don't want this one.
Here. I give you just a little piece. Here. Try it. Put it in your mouth.
Mama, this is not.
Put it in your mouth, baby. Try. Please. Come on. Come on.
Mama,
It's chocolate. It's chocolate.
it's not chocolate.
Alright, wait a minute.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, break it apart in your mouth. Levion just want to try new stuff. He needs to. I don't want my baby to be a stickler to old stuff. Okay, it's got to be like this. No, baby, you got to be flexible. All these flowers. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for checking out our channel today.
Please clean up.
I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing us try new foods from different countries, because I'm intended for my kids to try foods from different countries. Zoe, you cannot eat that whole thing. Eat your chips.
Mama.
So you guys, thank you for your support, your love. We appreciate you. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram and let me know what food, what countries, snacks you want me, Zozo, and Levion to try. More like me and Zozo to try next. So thank you all so much. You guys are awesome and amazing. Please subscribe if you're not already. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye. Levion, come tell them bye.
Bye.
They can't see you. Come stand in front of the camera.
Bye.
You always say bye. Say bye. You always say okay. Let me come on. I'm not asking you to eat anything. I'm just asking you to come say bye. Come say bye. They can't see your face. All right.
No.
Yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
See your face. Let them see your handsome face.
Bye.
Anyways, you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys later.